in the work of many specialities, without even knowing all the advantages of them. These are the best applications to make your life easier. You just need some creativity to get the most out of it. Canva. It is an image editor. You do not need design experience to obtain incredible results, either to create logos, presentations, invitation cards, or videos. It has customizable templates, ready to add text, place images, or change font types. It also has preset formats with the necessary size of Facebook covers and/or thumbnails for YouTube, among others. App Builder. If you have a business and you want to start in the digital world, this application is perfect for you to create your own application. You do not need programming knowledge, and you will create it following selection, design, and construction steps. It has several categories for you to choose and facilitate its publication in stores like Google Play. Story Art. Offers easy-to-edit templates for story designs on Instagram, giving unique and differentiating touches to your publications. It has more than 1,000 options available, 60 themes, and many tools such as filters and text settings and video speed. Logo Maker. Design logos from your art collection with different graphic elements, shapes, backgrounds, and textures. It also offers editing tools for photos, posters, brochures, and other materials for your brand. Curriculum Vitae PDF templates. Create your resume with many specifications and models ready to send to companies and job portals. It has professional templates ready to complete. You can choose the type of format depending on your information.